Hello and welcome back to the Pod Eng Channel, your weekly stop for real, everyday English. I'm Mr. Lucas.
And I'm Mrs. Olivia. It's great to be back. Lucas, when I say the word university, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
uh, Honestly, two things. Freedom and all-nighters. The freedom was great. The all-nighters, not so much.
I know what you mean. It's such a unique time in life. You're balancing classes, a social life, maybe a part-time job. It's a lot to juggle.
And that is our topic for today, university life. We're diving into the vocabulary and idioms you need to talk about everything from lectures and studying to exams and deadlines.
This is a topic so many of our listeners are experiencing right now or will experience in the future. It has its own special language.
To help us explore it, we have an audio message from a student named Leo. He's right in the middle of it. He's a second-year student in what sounds like a very stressful week.
Ah, yes, the infamous exam week. As you listen to Leo, pay attention to the phrasal verbs he uses to talk about studying and managing his workload.
Let's hear what Leo is going through. Segment 2. The main story. Leo's exam week. Leo, voice memo.
Hey, Mr. Lucas and Mrs. Olivia. Thanks for letting me share. So, my routine this week is insane. It's finals week. I'm juggling 3 final exams and 1 massive research paper. I am completely snowed under. My day starts at 6 a.m. not because I want to, but because the library opens at 7 and I need to get a good seat. I grab a coffee and a protein bar on the go. As soon as I get to the library, I hit the books. I've been cramming for my history final for 3 days straight. I didn't keep up with the readings during the semester, so now I'm paying the price. My friends keep asking me to hang out, but I've had to turn down all their invitations. My social life is just non-existent right now. I have a study group, which helps. We go over our notes together and quiz each other, but mostly I just feel overwhelmed. My biggest problem is procrastination. I always put off studying until the last minute, so I know I'll have to pull an all-nighter the night before my chemistry exam. I'll be running on empty by Friday for sure. My professor for that paper also set a really tight deadline. It's due on the same day as my last exam. I'm not sure how I'm going to get it all done. I just want to get through this week, hopefully pass with flying colors, or at this point, just pass. Wish me luck.
Segment 3. Analysis and vocabulary. Wow, I felt his stress. Completely snowed under. That's the perfect way to describe it.
I agree. Snowed under is a fantastic idiom. It means you have so much work that you feel buried and can't move.
Let's break down some of that great vocabulary. He said he's juggling 3 exams. That means he's trying to handle multiple difficult tasks at the same time.
And then the studying, he said he has to hit the books, a very common idiom that simply means to study.
But how is he studying? He's cramming. This is a key university word. It means to study intensively over a short period of time just before an exam, usually because you didn't study earlier.
That's right. He admitted he didn't keep up with the readings. This phrasal verb means to stay at the same level or pace as the work required.
And because he procrastinated, another great word, to put off doing something, he has to pull an all-nighter.
Ah, the all-nighter. To stay awake all night long to finish work or study. He said he'll be running on empty by Friday, which means he'll have no energy left.
He also used turn down for invitations, which means to refuse or reject, and go over his notes, which means to review or check them.
And his final goal, to pass with flying colors. This is a wonderful idiom that means to pass something easily and with a very high score. Leo's story was a masterclass in university vocabulary.
Segment 4. The host's comparison. That really took me back. I have to admit, Olivia, I was a bit like Leo. I was the king of procrastination.
You? I'm shocked.
Absolutely. I would scrape by on some assignments. I definitely pulled a few all-nighters. I was more focused on the social side, joining clubs, meeting people. I majored in sociology, but I think I minored in hanging out.
See, I was the opposite. I was a total bookworm. I sailed through most of my classes, but that's because I was always in the library.
A bookworm.
Yes, someone who loves to read and study. I was very organized. I always took detailed notes. I never missed a lecture. And I was terrified of falling behind.
To fall behind. That's the opposite of keep up with. It means you're failing to do the work at the required pace.
Exactly. So I never had to cram, but I think I missed out on some of the fun. University is a balance, isn't it? It's not just about acing your exams.
To ace an exam, to get a perfect score, an A. And you're right, it's also about finding your footing and learning to be independent. Segment 5, recap and conclusion.
So whether you are a bookworm like me,
Or a procrastinator like me.
you need this vocabulary to talk about it. Let's do a quick recap of the top phrases from today. To be snowed under, to hit the books, to cram, to keep up with or to fall behind, to pull an all-nighter, to pass with flying colors.
We're going to play a very short clip from Leo's audio one more time. Listen for those phrases. I am completely snowed under. I hit the books. I'm cramming for my history final for 3 days straight. I didn't keep up with the readings during the semester, so now I'm paying the price. My work is seated in the stars.